Guys, we've got America's favorite backyard pit here for y'all today, the TMG Volunteer. All right, now this is our traditional flow offset smoker here we do. We got a lot of different models. This one, the king of the backyard. All right, now as you can see, it is mounted on our single axle trailer package. Now you can get this on casters, our off-road package, or the trailer. Let me tell y'all something about our trailers. They're good. All right, that's all there is to it. We build a badass trailer. This one in particular, we do independent torsion axles in the back, smooth ride. All right, you ain't gonna be riding back here, but if you were, it'd be smooth. Powder coated finish. We do these a little more narrow, that way they don't take up a lot of room. You still got some storage space on them. Does have a double wheel jack up here, so it's easy to roll in and out of the garage. You don't have to get your truck out to do it. This one is upgraded with our stainless steel front shelf here. All right, now we'll open up the pit. Now guys, our Volunteer is 128 gallons, all right, 52 inches long, 27 inches deep. So you got an extra deep cook chamber on there. Big old 3/8 thick firebox on that end. And this one right here just happens to have our stainless steel cooking grates, guys. So that's a great upgrade to have. Nothing wrong with mild steel, guys, but man, stainless just takes it to the next level. Never gonna have to worry about it rusting up on you. Of course, you saw our fire poker in there. Now this does have a built-in water pan shelf off here to the side, as well as a 1-inch ball valve grease drain down there. It's got the drip guard on the door here. I will shut this down. Above our firebox here, we've got a built-in griddle top, all right. Open up the firebox, y'all can see. That is where the fire goes out there, guys. That's why we call it the firebox. I know, pretty cool. On the back side here, we do have a stainless shelf, a little bit of storage back here, and finish it off with a spare tire. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.